Hello students, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and video number 9 I already discussed about ether, topic of ether, physical introduction, classification, nomenclature and physical properties. This is video number 10. So I will be explain about ether, but topic is preparation of ether, chemical reaction of ether. Chemical reaction of ether, there are two types. So in this video I explain only reaction occur one type of reaction in which cleavage of CO bond. Let us start. Preparation of ether. Preparation of ether, there are two types of reactions given for preparation. You learn by DW. D means dehydration of alcohol and W by Williamson synthesis, and by Williamson synthesis it is naming reaction, so it is important. So first is dehydration of alcohol. Dehydration alcohol. What is the meaning of dehydration? Dehydration, that is means isolate, remove water. So see, CH3 CH2OH, we will take ethanol, alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol. So we will take example of alcohol, like we will take example ethanol. Ethanol excess concentrate H2SO4 and temperature 443 Kelvin. So high temperature and excess concentrate H2SO4. So it's in this alcohol water isolate. See, CH3 CHOH. So one H, CH2OH, and this is CH3 CH2H, this H and this OH. So both of electron are free, so double bond are formed, ethene. And see, OH attach this carbon alpha and next carbon is beta. So beta position hydrogen replace. So beta elimination. So ethene are formed. We will take two ethanol molecule in the presence of concentrate H2SO4 and 413 Kelvin temperature. So see, two water molecule isolate. See, CH3 CH2OH and second molecule HO CH2CH3. So two ethanol. So one side H and second side OH remove. So H2O replace H2O. So remove H2O. C, CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3 ROR, ether are formed. So one ethanol you take, so ethene are formed, but you take two molecule of ethanol, then ether are formed, ROR. So one side select the chain, both of similar symmetrical ether. So you select oxygen with ethyl group, so alkoxy alkane and two carbon, so ethoxy ethane. So its boiling point 308 Kelvin. You learn. Dehydration of ethanol give alkene or ether. So one molecule given ethene and two molecule given ether. Diethyl ether, this is obtained in vapor state, pass through a water condenser, it gets cooled and gives liquid ether. So this is passed through water condenser. So first cooled and then after convert into liquid. Result, it is possible to design an experiment in which ethanol gets added to the reaction mixture on first and continuously diethyl ether recovered by distillation. So this method known as continuous esterification. That is means first in experiment ethanol convert into ether, again to again repeat by distillation method, by recovered by distillation. So this method known as continuous etherification. Etherification, that is means continuous formation of ether. So we see its mechanism. So step first, one molecule of ethanol we take CH3 CH2OH. H plus remove, so H plus taken, so this H attached with oxygen and oxygen given its electron, so oxygen given its electron, so positive charge at oxygen and this hydrogen attached with oxygen. See, so oxygen, positive charge at oxygen, so its name is protonated ethanol. Then after step second molecule of ethanol react with protonated ethanol. So this oxygen given its electron to this carbon and this carbon given bond electron to oxygen. So water molecule isolate and this oxygen attached with CH2. So CH3 CH2 and this oxygen attached with CH2 CH2 CH3. So water isolate and here electron given by this oxygen, so positive charge occurring at oxygen, so this is ROR, so protonated ether. This protonated ether we will take react with water molecule, so water oxygen given its electron to hydrogen and oxygen accept bond electron, so this hydrogen replaced by water and this oxygen accept bond electron, so ROR, ether R form. One side we select chain 1 2 carbon alkoxy way ethoxy and substrate group ethane, ethoxy ethane, and this water accept this hydrogen, so 3 hydrogen, so this is protonated hydronium ion H3O plus. So first reaction, dehydration of alcohol, replacement of water molecule in the presence of excess concentrate H2SO4 at the temperature of 443 Kelvin temperature. We will take 2 molecule of ethanol, then formation of ether. So it is necessary we take ethanol quantity maximum. Then second preparation method, Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis discovered by Alexander Williamson. Second is SN2 reaction. SN2. 2 means bimolecular. N means nucleophilic. S means substitution reaction. And what is the SN1 and SN2? I already explained chapter number 10th. So SN2 bimolecular. 2 means bimolecular, that is means 2 molecule participate in the reaction, like this reaction RONA and second molecule RX. So 2 molecule participate. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is means in this reaction 1 nucleophile react and one second nucleophile replace. So see, a halogen nucleophile attack at other molecule. So bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction RONA react with RX. So see, this RNA bond is break, this bond break and this bond is break. NAX replace and this R dash attached with ROR dash. So both of are different. So that is means unsymmetrical ether. So and unsymmetrical ether, we take RX 1 degree haloalkane. So 1 degree haloalkane we take, then easily form ether. Secondary and 3 degree alkyl halide is used, then elimination reaction occurs to form alkene, not a form ether. So only 1 degree haloalkane form only unsymmetrical ether, and 2 degree and 3 degree. You see, this is example of 3 degree alkyl halide. See, CH3Br and this is 3 degree. ONA attach this carbon and this carbon attach 1, 2, 3. That is means 3 degree. So this bond is this oxygen given its electron to carbon and Br attract electron. So Br react with Na, so NaBr, and this CH3 attach with oxygen, CH3O, C, CH3, CH3, CH3. But this is the rare way because 1 degree haloalkane easily form ether, and secondary and 3 degree mostly used but represent elimination reaction, and elimination reaction and occurs to form alkene. After this bond is break, any rearrangement and alkene are formed. So ether formed by easily by 1 degree haloalkane. Then aromatic ether we take like this, aromatic ether preparation. So preparation of aromatic ether produced by phenol. We take phenol, OH attached with benzene, it is a phenol, react with NaOH. So first this OH and this H2O out, and Na react with oxygen, ONA attached with benzene, sodium phenoxide, and this is react with chloromethane, otherwise chloroethane. Chloromethane react, so Cl, this bond is break and this bond is Cl, Na, replace NaCl as a NaCl, and this CH3 attached with oxygen, OCH3 attached with benzene. Its common name and IUPAC name anisole. Otherwise you say phenoxymethane. Then C2H5Cl react. So this Cl react with NaCl, and C2H5 attach with oxygen, OC2H5. So its common name, IUPAC name, phenitol. So two methods are preparation method completed. First is dehydration of alcohol, and second is Williamson synthesis. Next topic is chemical reactions of ether. Chemical reactions of ether. Chemical reactions of ether. Chemical reaction of ether, that is means ether react with which compound. So first, ether less chemical reactivity, because so they do not undergo oxidation and reduction, do not react with active metals and base, but it gives some reaction with strong acids. So its chemical reactivity less, reason not a represent oxidation and reduction, and not a react with active metals or base, but it gives some reaction with strong acid. So represent ether two types of reactions. First is reaction involving cleavage of CO bond, reactions involving cleavage of CO bond, and second is electrophilic substitution reactions occurring in aromatic ring. Reaction involving cleavage of CO bond, first with dilute acid and second is with hydrogen halide, and second one electrophilic substitution reaction occurring in aromatic ring, first is nitration, second is bromination, and third is Friedel-Crafts reaction, FCR. And this is two types of reaction you learn. CE, cleavage of CO bond, and E, electrophilic substitution reaction. And in this video I will be explain first reaction involving cleavage of CO bond, and second electrophilic substitution reaction explain in next video. So I will be start first reaction involving cleavage of CO bond. So first is ether react with dilute acid. Dilute acid, that is means dilute, we take dilute acid H2SO4. So example I will take ethoxyethane. Ethoxy means CH3 CH2 2 carbon, CH3 CH2 oxygen, ethane CH2 CH3. This is ether. React with water in the presence of dilute acid H2SO4. So hydrolysis. This bond is one side bond is break. So this bond is break, and hydrolysis, that is means addition of water HOH. So one side H and second side OH. So CH3 CH2OH one side and second side CH3 CH2OH. So two molecules of alcohol ethanol are formed, but this reaction complete in a closed vessel. So first reaction again I will explain. ethoxyethane react with water in the presence of dilute H2SO4. So it's hydrolysis. So once bond is break, one side hydrogen and second side OH attached. So two molecule of ethanol are formed. Second is with hydrogen halide. Ether react with hydrogen halide, and we take example of ether, ethoxyethane. Hydrogen halide example we take HBr, Br at the place of X, HBr. At the high temperature, this is both of react. So one side bond is break, C, and second side also break. So CH3CH2, second side CH3CH2 attach with 2 Br. So form is CH3CH2Br, bromoethane are formed, and this oxygen attach with 2 hydrogen water replace. So whenever ether react with hydrogen halide, so formation of haloalkane. So its mechanism you see. First step, one molecule of ether, CH3CH2O, CH2CH3, ethoxyethane react with HBr. So Br more electronegative element comparison than hydrogen. So attract electron, bond electron. So Br negative charge and replace, but this oxygen given its electron to hydrogen. So hydrogen attached with oxygen, C, hydrogen attached with oxygen, but oxygen given its electron, so positive charge occur at oxygen, and Br attract bond electron and replace, and negative charge appear at Br, Br minus, and oxygen positive charge at oxygen, so its name is protonated, ROR ether, protonated ether. Step second, CH3CH2 OH CH2CH3. So react with Br minus. This is step is slow. So Br given its electron to CH2 carbon, and the oxygen attract its bond electron. So this is oxygen attract bond electron, and this Br attached with CH2CH3, bond is break. So CH3CH2Br, and one side CH3CH2OH, ethanol and bromoethane. Third step, this is ethanol, again react with HBr, because in this reaction 2 HBr molecule react. So second molecule HBr, again Br attract its electron, and this ethanol given this in this ethanol oxygen given its electron to hydrogen. So Br replaced by negative charge, and this hydrogen attach with oxygen. So oxygen given its electron, so positive charge appear at oxygen. It's again protonated, but not a ether. It's ethanol. CH3CH2OH, ethanol. So this ethanol, protonated ethanol, react with Br minus. So Br attack at carbon because it is more electronegative and carbon electropositive. So Br attack at carbon, and this oxygen attract bond electron and replace as a water, and Br attach carbon. So CH3CH2Br, and this H2O replace. So again second molecule of bromoethane are formed. Bromoethane are reaction between ether and hydrogen halide. This reaction basis on this reaction. So ether question comes in the exams. Ether and hydrogen halide reactions. So first complete reaction, ether react with dilute acid. Second is ether react with hydrogen halide. So order of reactivity hydrogen halide, HI easily react comparison than HBr and HCl. Reason because iodine, its electronegative comparison than Cl less. Then when symmetrical ether we take, And second, when we take unsymmetrical ether. So symmetrical ether react with HI. So see, symmetrical ether, we take ethoxyethane, CS3, CS2O, CS2, CS3, react with HI. HI at the temperature of C373 Kelvin, other 373 Kelvin, but in this excess quantity of HI. So see, both product are different. Whenever we take HI and 373 Kelvin heat, so ethanol are formed, and second is iodoethane. And excess quantity we take HI, that is means one HI, one molecule of HI, and second step 2 molecule HI. So first step ethanol and iodoethane, and whenever excess quantity of HI we take, so directly obtain 2 molecule of iodoethane. Whenever when unsymmetrical ether we take, unsymmetrical, that is means both of side oxygen different alkyl group attached, like one side methyl group attached and second side ethyl. So react with HI concentrate. So temperature 373 Kelvin temperature. So this is HI attached with iodine electronegative and attack at less number of carbon atom, and H hydrogen attached with maximum greater number of carbon atom. So iodine attached with CS3, CS3I, and H attached with this CS3, CS2OH. So iodomethane, and second one ethanol. SN2 reaction occur, that is means both of reactant use and SN2, but in 3 degree ether to give 3 degree halide. So reaction occur SN1 due to more stable carbocation is formed. 3 degree carbocation. So SN2 reaction occur, but whenever we take 3 degree ether, so give 3 degree halide. So this reaction occur SN1. So for 1 degree SN2, but 3 degree ether SN1, because due to more stable carbocation is formed. So first reaction involving cleavage of CO bond completed, first with dilute acid and second with hydrogen halide. So second chemical reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, I will be explain in next video. Thank you.